Good morning, students. Stats, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.3, page number 30, question number 6. Find Pache's, Laspers and Fisher's index number with the year 2015 and base year 2014. Now, if you will study the question, price is given, but quantity is not given, total expenditure is given. What we want in Laspers, Pache and Fisher's index number, we want price and quantity, right? But if you will observe this question, you will find price is given, but instead of quantity, expenditure is given. Then what you will do? Simply divide the expenditure by price and you will find quantity. In the same way, year 2015, divide the expenditure by the price and you will find quantity. Okay, so in the year 2014, expenditure is given 400, 500, this way 600, 1080 and 1000. This way the expenditure is given, but what we want? Quantity. Now what we will do? Divide it by price. 400 divide by 100, 500 divide by 100. In the same way, you can see 600 divide by 150, 1080 divide by 180, 1000 divide by 250, and then you will find the answer. That will be your Q0. See, I have solved this. What I did, expenditure divided by price, so you will get quantity in the year 2014. In the same way, in the 2015, I have copied the expenditure. Now I will divide it by price, so you will get quantity. Okay. Simply solve it. Okay, so expenditure divide by price, you got quantity. Okay, so just keep in mind, while solving Laspers, Pache and Fisher's index number, we want two things, price and quantity. Now in this question, price is given, but quantity is not given. So what I did, expenditure divide by price, you got the quantity. When total expenditure is divided by price, you will get the quantity. Now it is also possible that in the sum, sometimes it can happen that quantity will be given, but price will not be given. So what you will do? Total expenditure divide by quantity and you will get the price. That means अगर quantity find करनी है तो expenditure को price से divide कर दो, और price find करना है तो total expenditure को quantity से divide कर दो. Simply जो आपको दिया हुआ है उसको total expenditure से divide कर दो. Then you will get the information. That means first you simplified the sum. Okay, if total expenditure is given, you have to find, if the price is given, find quantity. If the quantity is given, find price. Then as per Laspers, Pache and Fisher, like we have solved the previous sums, what you will find? You will find the columns P1, Q0, P0, Q0, P1, Q1 and P0, Q1. ओके, हमने बहुत सारे ऐसे सम्स किए हैं लास्पेर, पाशे और फिशर के, राइट? यू हैव टू फाइंड all these four columns. How will you do? P1 Q0 means P1 into Q0, this way. So find all the four columns, do the sum total, and then find Laspers, Pache and Fisher's index number as per the formulas. We have done couple of sums, right? Simply you have to do the calculation, do the total and put in the formula. You will find the answer. That's your homework you have to do. And in this sum, the hint is that price is given, you have to find the quantity. It's very important sum. Do it, solve it and complete it. This is your homework. I have given you the hint.